Audio Jungle.
Okay, come to the point with the SSIS or AS or RS. SQL is the only one main data source which you can utilize for the your data warehouse, and after that whole picture is coming like as a SSIS, AS or RS. And SSIS is the also one of the key part of the SQL, because without SSIS you can't be able to do like as a data upload, data extract, and data upload, and data you will so many sources you are getting the data. After that you are trying to upload in the different destinations, so that you will do from the SQL only. Okay, come to the point on the SQL as well as the SSIS. Okay, so just giving the my presentation with you, and this is the my SQL Server integration services. Deep dive is the first, and okay, right. What is the SQL Server integration services and what it will do before the getting the data, before uploading the data, before you are going to do with the data, and what is the data, why we are going to call each and every time the data so many times. I have to call each and every person, because each and every company should be depend upon the your data. Each and every company should be depend upon your data. What is the data, why it is required? If your contacts is going to be increased, if your contacts, you are having a lot of the contacts, or you are having the different scenarios and different fields you are working, but if you are not having the contacts, what you will do? Means without data you can't be played. So what is the data? Data is the collection of information, is called as the data. Data is divided into two parts, primary and secondary. So what is the primary data? What is the secondary data? Primary data means which you are going to, which already you are means which it is already exist. Exist data means someone already searched the data and you are working on that data, that is called as the primary data for you. And secondary data means it should be like as you are going to search the data, and after that you are going to work on that. That is the difference between primary data and secondary data. Meanwhile, come to the picture in the SSIS. SQL Server integration part, SQL Server integration part is the only one key role where you can play any kind of the data. Like as there are having the three forms. First form is called as the E, second form is called as the T, third form is called as the L. The first form E is stand for the extract, T for is the transformation, L, third one is the L for load, and that is called as the ETL, extract transformation load. Next, what it will be do? It will merge the data from heterogeneous data stores, like as a text file, like as a mainframe files, like as a spreadsheets, like as a multiple RDBMS, or like as a Excel, like as a text, like as a WordPad file, like as a SQL Server files, like as a so many files you will collect from the source. Heterogeneous data stores are available, and the refresh data in data warehouse and data marts. Data warehouse, and what is the difference between data warehouse and data mart? Data where we are going to store multiple of databases. That is called as the data warehouse. And data marts, like as I am working with the IT department, or I am working in, yeah, someone is going to work in the finance department. Finance is the key part of that, is called as the data mart. It is the subset of the data and cleans data before logging to remove errors, cleans data before we are going to upload the data into the SQL, clean we will do from the, after cleaning we are going to upload the data, or when we are going to upload the data, that time we are having the transformation form, we can clean from there also. High speed load of data into online transaction, OLTP, and online processing OLAP database. What is the difference between OLTP and OLAP? OLTP and OLAP, there are two terms. In OLTP, what we are doing, we are getting the different sources. Means this is the part of the T-SQL. And OLAP is the coming for the SSAS, online analytical processing. OLTP is the only 2D, two dimension, and OLAP is the multi-dimension. And send status, that is the difference between OLTP and OLAP. Send status notification on success or failure, build BI into a data transformation process without the need of redundant stacking environment, automate data administrative function, so many things. These are the parts of the integration services. And when we are going to upload the data, or when we are going to try to do anything, between so many scenarios is coming before uploading the data, before getting the source, and before uploading. So many picture is coming, is called as the ETL. SSIS overview. Data source can be diverse, including custom or script adapters, transformation components, shape and modify data in many ways. Data is routed by rules or error condition for cleansing and conforming. Flows can be as complex as your business rules, but highly concurrent, and finally data can be loaded in parallel to many variety destinations. So where to now? What is the data sources, like the Excel source? And common problem, not at all coming through correctly, which is they are facing from the beginning to end. They are not going to clean the data if the data is not clean, and if the data what we are going to upload, if the normalization is not available, and what is the terms we are going to see where the data is coming, and how to Excel. We are going to multiple Excel files, we are going to upload multiple text file, we are going to upload. After upload, how to make the WinRAR file, and WinRAR file we are going to transform the data into the different location, how to create the directory, how to create data sources, how to one data sources we are going to upload into different data sources. Means one data sources we are getting the data from the one sources, and we are having the multiple destination. Then we can also do from the ETL. And by default, Excel will be determine the column types based on the majority type rule. Overcome this by forcing a mixed type in data connector. So data source, verifying connectivity, availability, ETL task, run through some of the steps and then fail on connectivity issue. And sometimes when we are going to upload the data, we need to schedule the job through the SQL Server agent job. Why would you want to check for this? Use how to use the scripting task, and I will give you the demo on the starting point how to upload the Excel files, and I will put into the this folder, new folder. Uh, I'm giving this one is the called as the rename, that is the A. I want to upload this file into directly with the my destination, that is called as the SQL C. When I want to upload that, then I will use the Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. This is the file. Go to new, go to project. This wizard, when we are going to use the Visual Studio for the MSBI, when actually initial stage when you are going to install that, then you will get the express version, then you are able to get the SQL server as well as the bits, or the sometimes they are called as the DST, data service tools. You will get that one. So when I need to use that one, there are the so many parts like as a analysis parts, and this is the analysis part, how to create the cubes, how to import the multiple dimensional data, how to create the tabular project, how to create the import per power pivot, how to use the import for server tabular. And this is the integration parts, and this is the my reporting parts where we can use the SSRS, and how to configure the SSRS with the SharePoint. Now, come to the integration part. When we are going for the integration part, there are the two terms. One is the integration service project, and another one is the integration service import project wizard. What it will be do? Integration services project where they will guide to me, or where they are giving the feature to by default by Microsoft, where we are going to use the integration, means what type of the services we are going to use using the integration services project. And integration services import project wizard means how many packages you are going to import from the different locations. That is called as an import wizard. And one experienced guys should be have the knowledge key what type of the name. Maximum guys I have seen that who is going to write this kind of the script, or who is going to use that one, they could not provide any name. But if you are having the experience, you should be provide the particular name to what location you are going to save, where you are going to save these parts, and how to save, and you should give this name. Before that, I need to give the upload, and this will be somewhere in this location. Directly one file is going to created. Okay, I think it is available, so that I will give you the upload one. Yeah. Yeah. And when you come to this part, there is this part is called as the Solution Explorer, where you will get the all packages name, what type of the parameters you are going to pass, what is the connection manager, where the connection is coming, and how to use this connection with the multiple sources, and what is the properties window it's available for this one. And this is the connection manager, where my cursor is moving for the packages. And this connection manager, we can use the a particular to what type of the connection we are going to use for the uh, particular things. First, I need to give them what is this part. This is the called as a control flow, and this part is called as the data flow. This is the parameter, and this is the event handler, this is the package explorer. Come to the point for the control flow. Control flow and data flow, there are two terms. Control flow means what type of the package and where the package is going to move from the one source to another destination. And data flow means what type of the source is available and what type of the destination you are going to be used for the data destination. Means control flow is the whole package and data flow is the particular one package. We can say like that. That is the difference between control flow and data flow. Come to the point for the first, I need to give some example how to we are going to upload a single file, how to upload multiple files, how to copy the files. Come to the point for the data flow. Data flow, when we are going to use, each and everything should be depend upon the properties. What type of the properties you are going to upload and where we need to give the expression, what type of the execute package task, what is the, these are the SSIS toolbox. These are the total toolbox. We need to cover each and everything from the beginning to end, and remaining parts, this is the E. This is the extraction part. If you will go to the data flow, you will get the, if you will do the edit, you will go to the directly with the control flow. They are moving with the data flow. These are the my source, Excel source. And this part I want to upload with the OLAP destination. So this is the my OLAP destination. And until unless when you would not be configured, it should be looking like as a red. And this is the my package flow. This arrow, if I need to join this, then we are able to give the where the source is moving to where the destination. This is called as the ETL. So I want to give that, go to edit. What is the connection manager? See, this is the connection manager. When you will see there is no connection manager because I haven't given the anything for the Excel connection manager. Before that, we will go, we will create the new Excel file path. We will go here and I'm going to desktop. I have the folder called as the new folder. I have the A file. Click OK. Data access mode. It is coming from the table or view. It is coming table or view or name variable or SQL command variables. Until unless name of the Excel sheet. Why it is not coming? Question is, why I would not get one? Because whatever the Excel I have saved, that is the in 2013, but it is taking the 2007. I want to save with the Control S. Go to here and save as just new folder. Save the Excel 97 to 2003. If you will save, close. This is the my 2013. 1 minute. This is the my delete that one. This is the my 97 to 2003. Now go to here, go to edit. cancel that one, new Excel file, go to here, take that one. First row, you directly it is going to first row as a column names. Click OK. Name of the Excel sheet 1, and by default it will take the dollar symbols. If you will go to the column, there are the 3 columns, ID, name and salary. And this is the my connection manager. If you will preview, whole data is, you are able to see what type of the data is available. Close, click OK. If you will come to this part and edit, you will find out where you want to upload the data. I don't have the server, so that cancel that one. Go to new, sorry, this is the ODBC connection, but I need the OLAP connection. I forget that one, sorry. I need the OLAP destination, because Excel I want to upload into the SQL, not in the Access. I will tell you why we are going to use the Excel, why we are going to flat file, why we are going to raw files, why we are going to XML, CDC, all these things I will explain you one by one. So only give you destination, and when you are going to new, go to, sorry, first I want to delete this one. Delete one, go to new, give the local host that is called as the dot. I want to upload into the Hemanta database. Remember that one. Test connection is succeeded. Click OK. OK. Name of the table of the view, new. And this is the, see, this is the magic of the OLAP destination. And I want to give the knowing table. Name of the table is the knowing. And ID is the float. By default it is taking name. If you want to decrease the character size, you will decrease. Salary is the float. Right? If you want to do the mappings, mapping is coming, and click OK. See what is the error is there. Something error is there. Truncation may occur due to inserting data from data flow column. And OK. Edit. Error output. Go to the fail component. Ignore failure. Click OK. If I want to run that, see, some validation has started, and SSIS coordinator, there were during the task validation 50% completed. Okay. Yeah. Go to data flow, stop this package, and data flow you will go. You will find out why it is coming, and if I will go here in knowing, And if I will go to SQL Server Management Studio, this is my Hemant database. This is my table. This is the your table. Control N for the name query. Use the database name. Select star from dbo.inline. If I want to execute, C. ID, name, salary, table instruction has created, but the data has not inserted. Okay, I got that point. 1 minute. OLAP destination. Just take it and you will connect this one. Go to here. Edit. Localhost Hemant. dbo.inline. Keep identity. View existing data. Close or that just to give the, because I have changed the name. N-worker there by default it is taking the 250 characters. When I change that one, I think it is that's why. Just give the OLAP destination, and that I can also resolve using the, yes, now it's perfect. If I want to execute this one, and it will show how many records your Excel source. Why the source is facing this error? Connection manager Excel SSIS source failed validation and returned the error code 50%. The request connection manager. Okay. And stop this one. Go to data flow. Excel source, which is the working file. Sheet 1 columns. Right. Connection manager preview. It is coming perfect. Either in my package, 1 minute, because go to the properties, project, upload, configuration properties, come here, deployment, run 64-bit runtime, make as a false, click apply, click OK, run that one. Yeah. See, 12 rows has inserted with the OLAP destination. Go here. If I want to refresh that one, and if you will get that OLAP destination, select star from OLAP destination. If I want to execute this one, you will get the 12 records inserted. And this is the only for the one Excel file. But if I want to upload multiple Excel file, we can also able to do using the for each loop container, how to use the for each loop container, how to use the for loop container, how to use the sequence container, how to use the package container. These are the containers. And what is the difference between for and for each loop container? We can use through the so many types, but and see, apart from that, if you need to do how to use the file system task, how to copy so many records from the one server and paste into the different server, and how to get the FTP task and how to configure the FTP task, how to configure the FTP task, as well as the I want to take the file from the FTP to the our local machine. After that, I want to upload into the SQL. Let us, we will take the one, and when the package is going to fail from the so many packages, like the one data flow task, I have the so many data flow tasks. 1, 2, 3. How to upload, and this data flow task is the something different, and this data flow task is the something different. And if this package is going to fail, data flow task 1, and this has successfully completed, but I want to start again, I want to start from the here, not from there, because each and every time when it is going to upload, when I want to upload next time, the 1 to 12 records next time is going to be insert. Multiple duplicate records is available. And how to retrieve the multiple duplicate records, because initially I need to give the demo with the SQL, because without SQL, if you are having the strong knowledge on the SQL, you will learn the easily how the, because it is the total configuration part. I want to start from, see, this I want to disable, right? And this is the, I want to start from here, and the next it will go to here, but leave it. And I want to show enable, go to data flow task. I want to add the data viewer, enable data viewer, and you will see how the data is moving from the one source to another destination. How to use the lookup, how to use the, and when it is going to enable, I want to show some good example for the archive folder. Yeah, I am having this files. How to copy from the source to another destination. I will show you another demo. Yeah, from this point. Enable data viewer, okay. If you execute again, see, these records is going to upload. If I will execute, then it will be packages execution completed with success. Okay, leave these parts, and I want to disable this one, and I want to show you how to copy multiple records from one source to another destination.
Yeah, Mahesh. Ani
Yeah,
Nabilam. Ini
this is
sorry,
the
I
my
mean actually
this is the my file system task. How to use the for each loop container. I want to show you how to create the directory, how to create the, this is the my file system task from this here. And if you will edit, go to collection, see, these are the enumerators. What it will be do, how to do, but initially just I want to give them only one demo to you and go to the archive folder. Archive folder, yeah. This is my archive folder. And star.star whole file I am taking. And variable mappings. Click OK. And I will create the one variable for that one. That is called as the name is the path variable. Path. But I want to give that as a string. And this is the value is the something test. I have passed the one path variable and I am edit this one. Go to the collection. This is they are the my perfect and I am going to variable mappings. I will use the user path. Click OK. File system task. I am going to here. I am is passwords variable. It's yes. I want to use the true. Copy file. I want to move file. These are the so many terms is there where you want to destination connection. I need to pass new connection. Existing file, no existing folder. I want to give the existing folder browse. This is the my name folder. I want to move archive folder to the name folder. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. A source variable I haven't. I forget that one. Yeah, my variable is the user.
Right.
Sorry. Yeah, it is the set. Everything is set. When I want to run this package, for progress. Error, I cannot create a file when that file already exists. Task file system task field. File system, okay. Yeah, come to here. Yeah, I forget that one, I think. Sorry. Disable that. Roll to here. That is the true. Edit. Override destination. It's true. If the file is available, it will be override. Click F5. This file has success and see. This is the my archive folder. Nothing is available. This is the my name folder. All these things are available. Like that, you will place so many things. If I want to copy only Excel file, what I will do? See, file system task, right? User, first I want to go to for each loop container, edit, collection. I want to give the file name is the name folder. Click OK. I want to move the only Excel file from there. I will just pass the .xls extension name. Everything is remain same. And this part is going to the edit. User path correct true. Destination connection is the archive folder. New connection. Existing folder. Browse. That is called the archive folder. Click OK. And yeah, okay, perfect. When you will execute, see, this package has completed. Only 2 files have moved into the archive folder. How many Excel files is there? See, 1, 2, And if you will go here in the name folder, not XLS file is available. Like that, you can play any kind of the game, any kind of the work you are able to do. If you want to upload multiple Excel files, you are also able to do. So many things we will do from here itself. And how to use the scripting task, how to write the script. Let's come to the our PPTs. I already explained this kinds of the thing. Yeah, connectivity. Yeah, I will talk you later for the scripting task. How to use the scripting task, how to get a source, what is the OLAP provider, selecting table or view drop down as a source. So what is the problem with the replace with that? Select not much better OLAP provider. Uh, if a table is selected, SSIS issue an open row set. If a SQL statement is used, SSIS issues SP underscore execute SQL. Like that, sourcing data, how to use the source data, what is the common requirement, get all data from one table that does not exist in another, get all rows from a staging table where the business key is not in the dimension table, and what is the conventional T-SQL, how to use the T-SQL, how to insert the records into the data, how to use the how to use the staging part, how to join the tables like as a inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, and what is the common requirement, how to use the sourcing data using SSIS, merge join, what is the lookup transformation, what is the speed comparison, which is the best, what is the lookups, range comparison lookups. So much things are available. And in the come to the this part for the date formatting, they will do so many date in the different way. And it's a requirement from the coming from the companies like as a or the client side. They want to calculate the data from the year on year, month on month, quarter to date, month to date, YOY, year on year, like that. Today is the 28th October. They want to calculate the 28th September data. Means current year to the previous year, current month to the previous month. Like that, they want to calculate. How to use that, I will let you know in the next session. If you have any question, please let me know. That's all from my side. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah,
You can't hear me, Hemant?
yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, Hemant. Can you tell me within how much time can you complete this course actually? Within how many
Actually, one
hours?
thing, yeah, minimum see, SSIS for it will take the long time. I'm frankly speaking. Until unless if the person would not be able to understand, it's
Mm-hmm.
not good
Mm-hmm.
because we are getting the money.
Okay.
And it will take minimum 1 month. 1 month minimum I'm saying.
Okay, fine.
Because so many parties, yeah, so many parties available. Like as a, because I am the real time guys.
Yeah.
And I have the different scenarios. Like as a one package is going to fail. I want to start from the next one, not from the first one.
Mm-hmm.
like as I'm having the 10 package.
Mm.
10 package in 5 package is going to execute. In the 5, I am getting the error.
Mm-hmm.
Remaining 5, I am getting the error. If I would be execute from the 5, that time it is difficult
Mm-hmm.
because each and every time same task is going to be repeat.
Yes, yes.
So I want to start from the sixth, not from the one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So and apart from that, how to use the checkpoint,
Mm-hmm.
how to use the breakpoints,
Mm-hmm.
how to terminate the packages, how
Okay.
to isolate the packages, what is the severity is there, and how to test the packages which
Okay.
we are going to. And remaining much more toughest job is that explanation is not much more difficult. But
Mm.
when you are going to deploy the package from one server to the another server,
Okay.
like as a development server to production server,
Mm-hmm.
and they are not, and in production they are not having the copy and paste option.
Okay.
You could not copy from the development to directly to the paste into the production.
Mm-hmm.
That time it is the much more difficult.
Yeah, yeah.
And in the SSIS,
Mm.
if someone would be having the near about 3 to 5 years experience, then he is able to work.
Mm.
See, I'm giving the example. Just I'm running the one packages
Okay.
for the plugging the data, but at that time I'm getting the error.
Mm.
When I when I was changed the true or false, that time in the configuration part in the run 64-bit time, that time the package is going to be succeed.
Mm.
Otherwise, this issue can't be faced by the fresher guys.
Okay.
The each and everything looking like as a same, but when they are working on the real time, then they are getting the difficulties.
Mm-hmm.
So I would say कि minimum 1 month it would be required for the 30 to 35 hour, means 1.5 hours,
Okay.
means yeah, minimum 1.5 hours. If the daily class is going on, then it will take the 30 to 35 hours, means 30 to 35 days, sorry. Yeah,
30 to 35 days. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. May I know your available timing for the classes, sir?
I would be available morning 6 to 8,
Morning 6 to 8 and
and
evening
yeah,
is there any?
evening
Yeah.
evening I would be available at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, from 8 p.m. you're available. Yeah,
Yeah.
you will deal only with this course or any other courses you will deal with?
SQL, SSIS,
Mm-hmm.
and SSAS,
Okay.
and SSRS, Power Pivot, Power BI, Power Query, as well as the advanced Excel macros.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you interested to give any project support as a part-time remote opportunity for support?
Project support, yeah, I will do that one.
You
It's
are.
much more better compared to,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Yeah. Okay, Hemant. While training is going on, you will give the assignments for the candidates.
Mm-hmm.
Whether you will give any assignments to the candidates.
Sorry?
You will give any assignments to the candidates while training is going on.
Means I would not be able to get you what are you trying to ask.
You will give any tasks, whatever training you are giving to the students, you will give day by day tasks to work, any work to the
Yeah,
candidate. Yeah, that's what.
yes.
That's what I
Day
meant.
by day task, and they should be prepared the one PPT for me
They should.
before they start.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
they should. Reason behind of that,
Okay.
because until unless when I'm going to attend the Scrum call, see, today I'm giving the one scenario to you.
Okay.
You are the my client.
Okay.
You spoke to something between me and you. We have attended the one Scrum call. You
Okay.
said no, Hemant, I want to upload the 30 files within the half an hour.
Okay.
If I would not be able to make the any notes and I would not be able to send to you,
Okay.
that time the gap communication is coming.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay.
So until unless when we are going to attend any class, that time they should be prepared, because when they are paying the money and they will prepare the one note for me,
Hmm.
I know this part. You
Yeah.
are the organizer. You are the organizer. Until unless how you know I have completed whole course.
Yes, yes.
When th- when they are giving the daily PPTs, daily scenarios, daily they are collecting with the different sources. They
Okay.
are getting the so many requirements from the different things. So they should be prepared the one notes. So
Okay.
then I am the clear. You are the clear. That guy is also clear,
Yes.
because you are getting the whole scenario to where the training is going on and what type of the support is going on.
Yes. Yes, yes, exactly. Yes, anyway,
So they
anyway, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, ma'am. Something you're talking.
Yeah, they should be prepared the one PPT per day. What I am taking the classes.
Okay.
Yeah, what I am going to support. What is the difficult task they are facing.
Okay. Yeah.
So that time,
Okay.
yeah, that time they should be give the one PPT to me daily basis, so that yeah, this course has completed. Today I teach the for each loop container in for each loop container. So many iteration is there, like as a for each enumerator, yeah, 1 minute. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, like as a for each file enumerator, for each item enumerator, for each ADO enumerator, where to use the for each ADO.NET schema row set enumerator, for each from variable enumerator, for each node list enumerator, for each SMO enumerator, how to use, how to configure all these things, each and every topic. Minimum one class is there. So it will take minimum 30 to 35 days. And they should be prepared the one PPT. When they are giving the assignment, when I am giving the assignment, if they would be do, they are in the perfect mode.
Okay. Yeah.
Anything more?
Yeah, that's it, Hemant. And thanks for the demo. Thank you for your valuable time. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Regarding any
Yeah.
updates, we will directly contact you regarding this. Whatever the requirement
Okay.
we get regarding the projects about online training, we will just forward it to you. If you're okay with the content, we will start the sessions. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Right.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Yeah.